So let's try a more complicated one. This one is not going to be as clean as the first one. Let's say we have 843 ceramic tiles, and one side of our terrace is going to be 8 tiles wide. What happens a lot is workers will, do sections. So let's imagine that this section is going to be done first, and we want to get as many tiles in here as we possibly can, just to be efficient. So I'm going to ask myself, how many groups of 8 will get me close to 800? Well, I know that 100 groups of 8 is 800. So side is going to be 100. 100 groups of 8 is 800. So I've taken my tiles from this pile and I've glued them onto the ground here. So let's get rid of those 800 to see how many more tiles left we have to glue down. We still have 43 tiles to glue down. So now I'm going to glue down some tiles here. How many groups of 8 will get me close to 43? Well, I know that 5 groups of 8 is 40. So this dimension is going to be 5. I've glued down 40 tiles into my terrace. So from my original pile, I'm going to take away those 40 tiles. And I have 3 tiles left over. Okay, so how many groups of 8 will get me 3? Well, that's not possible. That won't work. So, depending on the situation, in this situation, we have 3 tiles left over. I can't just create my array and have 3 tiles left over. So we could put those in the shed. We could put them back in the box and save them for another project. And so our final answer is going to be 105 tiles with 3 remaining. So we use the letter R for remainder and then the number 3.